Hello and welcome back everybody. Here is a quick tutorial on how to make a Batman game in ScratchJr. So all I've done here is all of the characters are adapted from the stock characters. So as you can see here, this is Batman, which is really obviously the cat. I've added a little bit of a Batman emblem there on the chest and turned a lot of the orange to black. We've also got the Riddler, which I've basically converted one of the people characters, turned them all green, added some question marks and turned the hair green. I didn't do much on the Penguin, just left it as the Penguin because that's a great Batman character. And finally, we've got the Joker here where I coloured the clothes purple, turned the hair green, and I did, oh, if you can see, add some red there. So there we go, here are our characters. So basically what I've done is, here's the code for the cat. I've also coded the buttons there. Well, that's to move left, the green one's to move right, and the blue one is to shoot the batarams that I called, or the thing that Batman throws. I've basically used the bat character and made it really small to create the bataram, and basically the bataram moves with the cat, as you can see there, and then when you press the blue it actually fires it. So when you press the blue, so there's the movement box, when you press the blue button there, it sends the blue message to this. It makes the bataram appear, then move 8 squares, then disappear, then stop, then reset. Also, at the same time, I've got 2 programs running at the same time, is that the bataram will appear and spin, and that allows it to spin. So if I press, you can see it spinning there. So let's reset that. So that's the code there. So take a screenshot of that if you want to use that. There's the cat code, or Batman code, sorry. Riddler goes first because he's the closest. Now they're all on bump, they disappear. So this is the movement blocks for the Riddler. When it then touches the bataram, it disappears and sends an orange message. That orange message starts the Penguin to move, and when the bataram touches the Penguin, it disappears and sends a red message, which starts the Joker to move or be in play. And when that's touched, it disappears and changes to the final screen there where the Batman says Gotham's safe for now. So let's once again show you real time. So here's our position. There's our left button, right button and shoot button. I press green flag to start. That starts the Riddler. I press the bataram to shoot. It appears. Luckily, I hit 2 there. Got to hit the Joker now. Let's shoot the Joker. Fantastic. That sends us to the final screen, and then Gotham is safe for now. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you have fun making this one. See you next time. Thanks.